Have you ever witnessed an ending that wasn't a loud, dramatic explosion, but a quiet, steady fade to black? She didn't raise her voice. There were no arguments, no blame, no desperate pleas for answers or closure. She simply made a choice. She chose peace over turmoil, silence over shouting. It wasn't a surrender. It was a powerful, deliberate act of self-preservation. Some goodbyes aren't announced with trumpets. They happen in the quiet moments, with a final, resolute turn of the head. These exits, the ones that make no sound, are often the most permanent. It's a reminder that true strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes, it just quietly walks away, closing the door behind it for the very last time. Thanks for watching.